Hello everyone, welcome to the Aquaware AquaSync simple sessions. So once you enter into the portal, you'll see here you have access to whatever you've purchased, whether it's a subscription, a yearly membership, or a lifetime membership. And today we're going to be going into Aquaware. And in some of the previous videos, I forgot to mention that down here in the right hand corner we have a report bug. This will be running even beyond the beta testing that we've been doing. This is just a quick, simple way to get something that you find that's not right or you don't understand right over to development, and then they'll debug it. And one of the coolest things about Aquaware and all the software now being in a SaaS platform means there is no more downloads. Okay, everything is stored in the cloud, period. And as the rollouts, the updates commence over time, they're just going to be done on the back end, and the next time you log in you're going to see an update, and of course we'll have a notes section once we're ready to get into that. So after you've logged into the portal, we'll click on Aquaware, and the first one we come up to is simple session. This is about as easy as it gets. Okay, recently we've entered the information caption. If you click on this guy, it will give you a quick overview of what the buttons do inside the panels. You can look at them. There's just a brief description of them. It's still up in the air whether we're going to have a full-blown manual for this. I'm moving everything to the web now, so if a written manual does come, it'll probably be after the initial launch. These videos are really representations of training videos, which they are, to show you in live, in real time, how to utilize the power of this amazing software. So, a couple things. Water preparation. Water preparation was brought into fruition around the first or second version of Aquaware. And what it's meant to do is you just quickly put your attention on the target water, and it will remove in 3.1 seconds absolutely all of the memories of wherever the water has been, any energetic imprints on it are gone. Or if you just want to reprogram a glass of water that was previously programmed with Aquaware, water preparation will get rid of it for you. It returns it to a pristine blank slate. User preparation creates a thin veil in the water that goes right to the subconscious mind and then opens it up for acceptance of the ensuing intention. And again, this runs for 3.1 seconds. Now, the reason we have them separate is because some people just like to blank slate the water. Some people just like the way user preparation makes the water taste. So that is automatically already built into the custom editor, which we're going to go into now. So if you have, and I'll show you the load function in a second. So here we're going to create a new intention. Okay, so at the top categories we have energy infused brilliant beings, and in here there are tons and tons of categories that you can go in and look at. So if you want, master healers over time, Edward Casey, Hannah Kroger. I mean, these are just amazing people, and what I've done is I've captured their essence in life or beyond and have programmed them into water. Confucius, the Dalai Lama. We'll start with the Dalai Lama. This one sounds pretty cool. So you come down here, you click use, and now we have loaded the Dalai Lama, and a lot more options are presented. So again, you have freedom to just water prep, user prep, or nucleate only will just run the intention, or we can run the entire session. So the way this works, folks, is you have to unlimit your thinking, thereby unlimiting your ability, and the technology does everything else. Where you set your attention, the intention will follow. That can be a glass of water next to your computer. It can be a case of water somewhere else in your house, a body of water on the other side of the planet, or a cup of coffee on Mars. The principles that govern this technology, space, time, and distance, are completely irrelevant. So from here, we're going to run our session. At this point, you would just put your attention on the target water. It automatically will run water preparation, user preparation. Now we are nucleating the intention into the water. And that's it. It's that quick. So at this point, we can say, okay, well, you know what? Let's up the power level. Now, it's very important. If you are new to this technology, I suggest that you start below 30% on any intention and work forward slowly. So here, people have asked to be able to type it in. There you go. I always like to use 81. It's a comfortable setting for me. It's different for other people. And at this point, we can save the intention. Okay, again, this is saved in the cloud. Okay, it's now saved at 81%, and we're going to nucleate it again. We're going to run that session. Here we go. Water preparation is running, erasing the previous programming. Now we're creating that thin veil, user preparation, and now you'll notice a much larger wave over, and we are nucleating the Dalai Lama. Okay, now again, we can always come back and load this at a separate time, and it'll come right into the categories. Okay, here we go. We load it up. We'll say use this, and there it is, and it's automatically preset for 81%. This is a simple session. Okay, this is where I recommend everybody starts. In videos that come out after this, we're going to be getting more advanced, and we're going to be going into quantum layering, custom intentions. We'll be pulling stuff that we've created in prior tutorials from the custom library. I'm going to be showing you the inner secrets of how to get maximum results utilizing this technology. Thanks, folks.